Hi guys, happy Friday. I was supposed to post this video yesterday, but of course there was too much going on. I totally forgot. So yeah, here it is today. I hope you enjoy your holiday. This Thanksgiving filter is real filtery. This is the face I need. But yeah, it's real. The color is real wrong because my shirt is bright yellow. But anyway, guys, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're having a good Thanksgiving. Usually I'll be doing my Thanksgiving shout outs earlier. I've been sending everybody a video, but I actually have to cook only 2 dishes, and it's how long it's been? 6 hours. That's why I don't cook, but it's okay. I hope you guys having a good Thanksgiving. Hope you're thankful today and all days, grateful today. Hope everybody's getting along, having fun, enjoying family. I guess if people eating this early, y'all probably sleep with the itis by now. I don't know, but yeah. I like this one. Also, in about an hour and a half, my Black Friday sales will start on my website, madamblue.net. If you are subscribed on my email list, then you will get an email. No code is necessary, but emails will be sent out. Everything is up to 65% off. So of everything that's being sold, the lowest is $3, which is hairpins like these. Y'all take these hairpins. I'm not gonna sell them again. I took the last Sagittarius one, Saggiana. And then up to $35, which is one of my complete vendors list. Something the most expensive thing on there, which is one of my vendors list, is $35. So nothing over $35. Bundles. People keep asking about bundles. Pause. I have not sold bundles in a while. So I will not be selling bundles. You might see it on my website. I'll have to see. But they're not a part of the Black Friday deal. I mean, if you've purchased bundles from me before and you just want to purchase them versus purchasing my vendors list, then let me know and I'll give you a code for a discount. But I suggest you purchase the vendors list because they're gonna be real for the low up until Monday, and you can just go straight to the plug. So yeah. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. I hope you enjoy your family, and I hope you do a lot of shopping small Black businesses this holiday season. Bye guys. TTYL. God bless.